welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be doing a picnic with our mom. So let's go pick up the food. Yeah. And by the way, we're gonna get some Chick-fil-A. So let's go. Okay guys, we're on our way to pick up our food. So what? We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Whoa. Shine bright like a diamond. Beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Guys, we got our Chick-fil-A. Wait, I got a milkshake and then we got some chicken nuggets. But this is the milkshakes. The chicken nuggets from Chick-fil-A, we're gonna eat them at the beach. It is so good. It's chocolate milkshake. Chick-fil-A, I love you. Okay guys, we arrived at the beach and we have our Chick-fil-A. Yep. So let's go. So we found our perfect spot. Now we're gonna put this mat. It's a bag, but it's a mat too. Yeah. So we're gonna put it there for now. So yeah, let's get our things ready. Okay guys, so I'm gonna set up my towel. Here's my towel. It's very colorful. We bought it at Costco. And today there's no school, so we're going to the beach. So, we can help me. We're gonna get the towel here. This is mine. I love the texture. Back up. There we go. Okay, so, wait. Now go. Go. So, this is my towel. Do you want to move yours? Because there's already a mat there, so why do you have to put it on? So, that's my mat. Guys, so this is my spot. So I have my bag over there, my towel, and then my cup of water, and then my sister's there relaxing, my mom is there, and then the beautiful beach right over there with these beautiful palm trees. And this is my spot. See what I could do. Oh. My sister's relaxed with my things. Vicky? Are you relaxed? With 2 sunglasses? Yeah. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you some things. On the other hand, my sister's right over here. Guys, this is probably one of my favorite beaches. It's very pretty, very cute. Okay guys, remember to please like and subscribe the video. I'm waiting. I'm gonna be waiting until you do it, so. I'm waiting. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, so we're gonna show you what we bought from Chick-fil-A. Our bag. My favorite fast food restaurant. So first, we got some fries. So then we got some chicken. No, those are fries. We got some sauces. I never actually seen it like that. Wait here. And we got a cookie. We got 2 cookies for me and my sister. My mom bought it. And then we got some chicken nuggets. I can't get them because they're all the way down and I don't want to make a mess. So, are you guys getting hungry? I love waffle fries. Same. Comment down below if you like Chick-fil-A fries better or McDonald's fries better. That's a real question. Is it just me or like where I'm filming? It's so pretty. It is so cute, the background. This beach is amazing. Guys, I have no idea what on earth my sister is doing. Vicky! What are you doing? Wait, why are you filming me? Now we're eating. We're eating right now, and we have some Chick-fil-A and nuggets. We have some sauces and some.
Tenemos postre.
We have barbecue.
Estas
And French
cookies.
fries. We have barbecue sauce, honey mustard, ranch, and ketchup. We can cheers. I already have one in my mouth. Cheers.
Miren qué lindo el día. Estamos en una playita que se llama Key Biscayne. El día está súper lindo, hoy no hubo escuela, así que hoy estamos relajándonos un poquito. Ahí se sienta la Valentina, pero ahora estamos almorzando algo rapidito.
Little picnic by the beach.
Con agüita. La limonada no puede faltar. Y aquí les muestro lo lindo que está. Vamos a comer.
Okay guys, so let's put some sunscreen because I forgot to, but we're just gonna put some on my face because I don't like getting my face burned. Okay, that much because this is a white sunscreen. I do not like white sunscreen, but whatever. So, what was that? Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit more. Oh my gosh, no, this is too much. Blend it in. Blend it in. Vicky. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you guys see? Okay, I put way too much. The extra pieces, I'll put them on my legs or arms. Because this is very white and I do not like white things on my face. Like, comment down below if you don't like white toothpaste because I don't. I like the toothpaste that's like beige, like clear one. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I'm done putting this on. Wait, what? The camera just started by itself, but whatever. So, okay, so I'm done putting my sunscreen on. I love the sunscreen. The only thing I don't like about it, it's white, but whatever. Did you guys see my unboxing, ASMR unboxing? Yeah, I don't know if you guys saw, but this is one of the fairy tale haircut gave me, but this is for my face. Wait, I like my face, so shiny. Okay guys, so I'm just walking around the beach. My sister didn't want to join me, I don't know why, but I'm walking around the beach. It's very beautiful. It smells a little bad, but I don't really care. So now I'm going to go to my spot. It's very pretty. I like this. Sorry. Wait, why did I say sorry? So I'm just walking here. Oh, okay. It's burning hot. I'm going back over there. It's so hot there. I gotta bring my chanclas. So let's talk. Okay guys, so I got my chanclas. My mom and my sister are right over there, so I'm just gonna walk a little far. It's not too far. It's just I wanna see this beach more. I've been to this beach a bunch of times, but like I don't explore it. So explore it. Guys, please like and subscribe this video. I really wanna get up 500 by the end of the year. And if you do that, make my dream come true, then we're gonna do more crazy videos then. If we get a 500, we're gonna do more videos with my sister, and we're gonna do more crazy videos. So yeah, I don't know what happened here, guys. We were here, but then we moved all the way over there, so because it was kind of too sunny. What is that? What in the world is this? Is this like bamboo or something? I don't know. So this is the day. There's people there, and I'm just walking around. I'm about to go back where my mom is, but very beautiful. The palm trees are the most beautiful thing. Okay guys, so I'm gonna dip my feet in. Sorry. Let's dip my feet in the water. I'm gonna feel the temperature. The water has, oh, it feels so good. Vicky, do you wanna get in actually? Yeah. Wait, do you actually want to? Wait. It's so clear. Okay, so we're just gonna be playing in the water, right? Sister did not like it when I splashed her. Sorry, Vicky. Okay, guys, so this is my bathing suit. This is my favorite bathing suit. So I'm gonna get in. Vicky, come. So let's go get in. It's very warm, the water. So it is warm. Yes, it is. I don't know what it is. This sand feels like flour. Like at all. It feels like flour. It's so soft. So good.
Oh, está rica. Está rica el agua.
Sí.
El agua está tibia. Yo pensé que estaba fría.
No. Está calentita. Guys, look. Look. Look at this.
No, se moja el teléfono.
You're not going in? Let me take us a view.
Miren qué lindo el puente.
Miami is a beautiful city.
Como no hay escuela, hay bastante gente.
Sí.
Esas sillitas se pueden rentar si uno quiere. Ahí está la Victoria haciendo cartwheel.
Mira. Guys, look.
A ver, el turno de la Valentina. Eso, vamos.
Espera. Espera. 1, 2 y 3.
La verdad que súper lindo que hoy no hubo clase. Nos estamos relajando. Yo me voy a acostar, a sentar aquí adentro.
Esta agua está muy linda.
Está súper rica.
Sí. No está linda, pero.
Está bien como calientita. Sí.
Sí.
Aquí estamos.
Guys, look. 3, 2, 1. No. Close to you. I forgot it.
A ver, ya este canal ya sabe quién es Valentina, quién es Victoria. A ver si saben quién es quién.
Guys, everyone on Instagram, please follow me. We have 22K on Instagram. We only have 259 here. We need those 22K in here.
Necesitamos crecer el canal, también queremos crecer, ese es el propósito de
When we
hacer
get
videitos.
followers, we're going to be doing more
Queremos
videos
motivarnos más a hacer más videitos, pero para poder hacer eso necesitamos más suscriptores.
Sí. Entonces, por favor, suscríbete. Please subscribe. No matter what country you are, we love you guys. Subscribe, please.
La verdad que el día está súper lindo. Si no han visitado Miami,
Visita.
esta playa se las recomiendo.
Key Biscayne.
Es súper bonita, es bien pequeña.
Sí. Pero
y
vale
es,
la pena.
Y es familiar. Si tienen mascota, las mascotas son bienvenidas.
Si hablan español, se llama las playas de los perros.
Bueno, también le dicen la playa de los perros porque se puede traer,
the beach of the dogs. The beach of the dogs. Because a lot of dogs come here, but today there's not a lot of dogs. But I don't think dogs pee in the water.
Bueno, nos vamos a relajar un ratito, así que ya los vemos pronto.
Bye.
Una vez más, les muestro un poquito más.
Caminando. So, now we are walking. Oh my god, it's too much sun. I don't think I can see the camera. Hey! Wait, Vicky, the water is so crystal here. Look. Beautiful, she knows. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Whoa. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. In the sky. Guys, my favorite singer is Shakira. By the way, just letting you guys know. Comment down below what's your favorite singer, because I would like to know that. And comment below your favorite song for I can listen to you. Oh my gosh. I am so scared of a bird poops on me. Oops. Okay, guys. Ouch! 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 Oh, something pinched me. But came back here to get my sunglasses because it is so sun I can't even barely see. But let's just clean them. Okay, so now let's start going. So I took my sunglasses. I already cleaned them because it was way too sunny. Let's go. I'm here. So let's just walk a little bit. It is actually so pretty here. The water is like so pretty. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the water is just like so clear. But it just has seaweed. That's the only thing I don't like. It's clear and stuff, like you can even see my toe. The thing is, it's just with seaweed. So yeah.
¿Qué están haciendo?
Estoy haciendo un tree. Estoy haciendo un Christmas tree. Yo estoy haciendo un Christmas tree. Yo no cometí. No. Pero no importa porque yo estoy haciendo un Christmas tree. Y yo también.
A ver, Valentina, ¿cómo va el tuyo?
Yo estoy working. Estoy leyendo un bump.
Ya no puedo ni pagar.
Miren qué lindo. Miren ese árbol de la Victoria. Qué lindo, Vicky. Y la Valentina sigue ahí. Ah, se te cayó. A ver, ¿qué vamos a hacer lindo? Victoria, me encanta el tuyo. La Valentina sigue tratando. Y así vamos.
Está quedando un poco buena. Te amo, mami.
Yo también te amo. La Victoria está como muy concentrada. Y la Valentina tratando.
Mami, ¿qué horas son?
Son ya las 2 de la tarde.
Ah.